In this video, we are going to simplify this expression. Let's get started with the solution. Let's recall this property: a times b all raised to the nth power is equal to a raised to the nth power times b raised to the nth power. This is called the power of a product rule. Therefore, we can rewrite this expression as 3 raised to the 4th power times x cubed raised to the 4th power. 3 raised to the 4th power is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 81. And let's recap the power rule of exponents. X to the power of m all raised to the nth power is equal to x raised to the power of m times n, which means that x cubed raised to the 4th power is equal to x raised to the 12th power. Therefore, our final answer is 81 times x to the 12th power.